I'm Alman Desosa. I'm basically a water diviner. I do consulting for water, mines, coal mines, and other mines. And presently, I do many research on things. I also help farmers in finding water, minerals, or in having livestock in their home. Okay, how to grow, what are the categories that has to be done. Everything is done. But when we are seeing that, I receive many comments about finding water using coconut. See, coconut is said as 3/4 there is water, or half there is water, and when you see that, it comes up due to hydromotor effect. But some say that I'm pushing my finger for that, or it is said wherever coconut is there, if you keep like this, it will stand because the water is there present in it. So today I'm going to use a different thing that is called as calabash. Okay, there is no water or nothing in it. Okay, this is a simple shell of a fruit that is called as calabash. Okay, I've take the medium size of it, and I'm again saying that water or coconut, anything, it completely depends upon the person who uses it. Okay. This is a tool. I'm again explaining it. This is a tool only. It completely depends upon the person who has the power to do it. It is nothing but it is a learned one. So we'll see how it has been used. Okay. This is a neem stick and a coconut. First we'll find water using coconut, then I'll say using a neem stick. See, this is how we using coconut. But still there is terminologies that will be just pushing the finger like this, or will be using as water is there, will be if you move itself it comes out anything. Okay. So we'll be accessing it using a neem stick also. See, okay, normally a neem stick is used, this is broken. Okay, we'll be using some other things which doesn't react to it. Okay, so I'll be using a calabash only. Okay, this is a, there is no water in it, this is a simple one. Okay, see, there is nothing done in it, so we are certainly saying that there is water or not. It completely depends upon the water diviner only. See, here when we see that, everybody says that it has been pushed or it has been done. Okay, again I'm showing it. Okay. But it says that as water is there in it, it stands on its position, everything. So without water we are going to check using the calabash. See, so we are seeing that if you are using anything, you can find it. Okay? But this calabash has got certain disadvantages because the shape you won't be getting in a proper one to use it. So to get a certain shape or certain size only you can use it. Still there are certain disadvantages that for a beginner it is very hard because while using an experienced one only you can find it. Okay. this again, when we see certain areas, everything changes in categories. Okay. Some changes in dimensions, some changes in water levels, some will be having just a stick, will be doing it. But whatever we see, we are seeing that water has to be found out. EMFs that are coming out has to be checked thoroughly. The characteristics of nature has to be known, and we have to see that how to ask questions to the one. Okay. So we are seeing anything, any tool can be used for finding water. It is not in genetic that you should use only coconut or only neem stick or only L-shaped rod, Y-shaped rod or anything. Okay. But any tool can be used because it's just vibration or idle motor effect that has got in your body, a vibrational movement. Due to this vibrational movement, coconut comes up. It is not just that it digs out something or we are pushing or it's coming out anything. Okay, so if you are pushing means why doesn't it comes out in different places? Okay, that is the next question that has been happening. Okay. And some says that without having knowledge, by just watching the videos, they are drilling and they are getting failures in it. Okay. I've again said in my many videos, see, if you are an experienced one, you can drill on your own. Okay. Otherwise, seek the help of some people to find water. It is not just you do something or you just watch a video and do it. It's not like simply having a nutshell in a case. Okay. It is different one by which you oppose the energy, that is earthly energies, and you get vibration in your body. See, this thing also affects your body a lot because last week also I got a call from Maharashtra. He saw my videos repeatedly for 1 month and he drilled a bore well. It got failed. Again, he drilled the second bore well. It got failed. Okay. And next, he had a comment on it that everybody who are divining water are faked on everything. Okay. So again, I'm saying it is nothing by the tool that has been using. Okay. It is just how a water diviner works according to it. What are the values that has been used by him? Anything that gives you by experience. What are the suggestions that has been made? How different things, hang-ups and everything. That is the case. It is not that just water comes because of water is there in the coconut, it comes up. But in that case, why doesn't a coconut which is on the ground doesn't come up? Again, see, this is the one. Okay, so we are again saying that whatever might be the tool, okay, whether it is a coconut or a calabash or anything, you can do certainly, you can reciprocate it, you can get the vibration and you can succeed in it. Okay. Again, I'm saying don't drill anything just by watching my videos. Okay. Videos are just put on the internet to subject that this type of finding water is that machines till now has come a lot, but 99% of the machines have been failure. Only thing that I use is magnetic systems. Okay, because magnetic get opposed by it and we are getting and we are trying it, and for the past 25 years also I've been also trying to find a machine, but it doesn't works out because the vibration which we get doesn't occur in any systems, or the magnetic systems which shows changes in magnetic field doesn't exactly show water, because all things emit vibration. Okay. So see that just by watching videos, don't try to drill anything. See that you find an experienced one, or just don't blame anyone for finding water. Thank you.